What's going on, YouTube? I'm IQ Domino. This is IQ Invested. Today we're going to be discussing support and resistance. Let's get straight to it. All right, remember, when we're talking about support and resistance, just keep the mind frame of that it's always talking about going up. So when you're talking about support is talking about it make sure it's a way for it to keep going up. All right, so if it goes down, it goes up, it comes down, right? Goes up, comes down. This is support. Okay. So if it goes up, comes down again, this is support. Now, it goes up, comes down, returns to the same area. Because it does not cross this area, this is still the most recent support level. All right. So you go up again, right? And it comes back down. This is the next level. Goes up again, comes back down, goes to the next level. This is letting you know, man, that this is support, man. This is a good support. If it goes up, it comes down, right? Goes up, comes down. This is all support, man. Keep this in mind. That it has to go up, has to go down. If it goes down, it does not pass this most recent point. It is still support. Very simple, y'all. Very, very, very simple. Very simple. Very simple. All right. Goes up, goes down, support. All right. Goes up, goes down, support. All right. Got to keep this in mind. Man. Goes up, goes down. This is all support, man. It's all support. Okay, guys. This is all support. Now, you're talking resistance. No one wants to go down. No one wants to fall down. Okay. So while it's going down and it decides to go back up, this is a level of resistance. Why? Because it's going back up, trying to not fall down. Okay. And also, you ever think about anything you try to jump up past, it always stops you, keeps you from going past it. If you have something over your head like a ceiling, it's resistance. Okay, so you go up, go down, it goes up. This is the next level of resistance. The fact that it did not go past this previous level of resistance, it lets you know that this is the most recent support level. Okay, keep in mind, it actually does have to go up. So it goes down, it goes up. This does not count because it actually has to push upward. It has to actually push upward for it to count. Okay, so the fact that it did that and it goes up, this is the next resistance level. Why? Because it goes down, it goes up to try to keep from falling. This is why it's called resistance. It does not want to fall. It's resistance. Okay? Now it goes down, and it goes up again. This is resistance. Why? Because it does not want to break this level. And the fact that it does not break the previous level lets you know that this is the new level of resistance. Now you go down and you go up. This doesn't count. Why? Because it has to actually push upward. Goes down, pushes up, and this is the next level of resistance. Now that's just overall, man. This is the level. This is simply explained support and resistance. Okay. Now this is what it is, man. All right. So now that you know what support and resistance is, all right, I'm going to teach y'all the psychology behind why you need to know support and resistance. So it's a support and resistance level or resistance level. The market is not likely to go past this level. Okay, it might return back to this level, but it's not likely for it to pass this level. Now, listen to me closely when I tell you that it is not likely for it to pass this level, because anything can happen in the market. I'm not gonna sit right here and lie to you and try to tell you that I know it all. I have this master plan. I don't. Anything can happen when you're talking about support and resistance. You need to know a lot more to have a. But I just want to help you understand the probability of the trade if you're going in off support and resistance. It's likely for it to not pass the area. This is why you need to know I don't care what kind of trader you are, options, Forex, whatever. You need to know support and resistance, okay? Now, for those of you that really want to know more about this, or really want to get more involved, or really want to be a profitable trader, so you won't have to rely on your job, rely on your, let's just be honest, y'all. We want to have financial freedom, man. We just want to go out, live our dream, wake up in the morning, get on the charts, go finish with our day, and go do whatever the fuck you want to do. Let's just be honest. That's what we all want to do, man. That's really what we all want to do. We want to make our money and go live our life. Make our money, we're going to live our life. You want to make our money and chill out, we want to make our money and chill out. You know what I'm saying? This is the best. And you want to always not have a pivot, like a pinnacle of how much money you can make. You can always continuously make more money doing the same thing. You know what I'm saying? So it's just like, if you really want to get on this wave where, that I'm on, that I'm a profitable trader, and I'm finally getting to the point where I'm able to quit my job, you know what I'm saying? Now that, what I'm saying, I ain't really got work no more. So it's like, it's definitely a blessing. But if you want to get on this pathway of doing this, you know what I'm saying, you definitely want to join this, because here at IQ Investment, I'm going to teach y'all the basics. I'm going to teach y'all the technical analysis. I'm going to always let y'all know the psychology behind everything that I do. Why? Because I want y'all to really be a profitable trader. I just want you to give you the knowledge. I want to make sure you're profitable behind this. So if you're trying to actually be profitable, a successful trader, definitely join. Subscribe to IQ Investing, man. We most definitely going to help y'all. If you want a one-on-one from your boy, you know what I'm saying, I'm definitely going to charge you. I ain't going to lie to you. But what I'm gonna tell you is this: you can go to my Discord, and I can get with you every once in a while. I definitely get with you, and you always have. And every trade I get into, you would get it. You know what I'm saying? You understand that I always explain the psychology of my trade most of the time. I'm always explaining the psychology of why I got into a trade, what I'm looking at. You know what I'm saying? I'm really always walking y'all down on why I'm doing what I'm doing and what I'm looking at while I'm doing it. You know what I'm saying? Right there on my Discord. Okay, and if this video helped you in any kind of way, it made you laugh, made you smile, and made you, got more knowledge than you ever had before you watched this video, man, leave a like. Leave a like, man. Leave a like, man. And if you got anything that you need help with, or any questions that you still have, or, anything like that, any things of that nature, you know what I'm saying, most definitely leave a comment so I can help me better help you, okay? Now, this is IQ Investing, man, and I'm out, man.